What's up guys, in this video I will be doing a review on my new laser engraver, the xTool F2, and I'll be comparing it to my older engraver, which is the LaserPecker LP4. Also a great engraver, but there's definitely a lot of upgrades on the xTool F2 in comparison to the LP4, but I will just put it out there that the LP4 does have a bigger surface area that you can engrave on, which is nice to have a little more space. These both can use attachments, so you can increase the surface area that you can engrave, or you can engrave on a cylindrical object such as a mug or a tumbler, stuff like that. They both are dual lasers, which means they have a diode laser, which is good for wood and things like that, and then they have an IR laser, which is good for like metal and plastic and engraving on that kind of surface. And they both cut as well, so they can both cut wood, thin wood, but still cut some wood, some plastic, things like that. But the xTool does have a 15-watt diode laser, and then the LP4 has a 10-watt diode laser. So the xTool has a little bit more power. Also on the IR laser, the xTool has a 5-watt, and then the LP4 has a 2-watt. So this can engrave metal a little deeper, potentially do some color on metal and things like that, which is pretty cool. And don't get me wrong, I love my LaserPecker LP4. I've had this for 2 years and I've done a lot of really cool projects and done a lot of gifts for friends and family, so that has been really cool. And definitely glad that I had this, and then glad that I upgraded to this. Another thing that I really like about the xTool F2 is that shield that it has for the eye protection and all that. The LP4 has this shield, which is hard to get stuff from underneath without moving the machine up or down, which is a bit of a nuisance whenever you're trying to get things out, because you'll lose focus on that laser. And the major difference between these two machines is the camera. The xTool F2 has a camera, so it can actually engrave with a lot more precision than the LP4. The LP4 has like a blue kind of target square where your engraving is going to go, but this one you can actually see an image of where your engraving is going to go, which is super cool, super futuristic. You also have autofocus, so you can actually just click a button on the software and it'll autofocus. With this one, you have to line up that red dot with the blue dot and make sure that it is on focus. But anyways, enough about the comparisons between these two. Love my LP4, but the xTool F2 is the new upgrade, and I really want to talk about this machine in this video. And I did a very cool engraving with this machine today. I engraved my electric guitar, and I engraved it with my favorite band's logo, Avenged Sevenfold. It's got the skull bat, and the engraving came out amazing. You can actually feel the grooves on the engraving, which is really cool. And then on the back, I put all the band members from the band. I'm a big fan. I went to one of their concerts a long time ago. And then I put each band member's name down here with their signature. The funny thing is, I think that the laser changed from IR laser to diode on the bottom part. But as you can see, it's very accurate. So I was able to just, because I did the engraving for them first, and then I did the bottom name and signature on the bottom, and so there's a separate engraving for each. And the IR laser did a good job, but I think it could have done better with the settings and done a more detailed portrait of the band. And then right here, I really actually, in person, it looks very good, very detailed. On the video it might look a little hard to read, but in person you can definitely read this very well, even though I use the diode instead of the IR laser, which I kind of prefer with plastics. Here's the IR laser on this side, but this turned out awesome for this electric guitar and really adds value to the guitar. It goes from still a very cool guitar. It's a smart guitar that I got on Amazon. but definitely adding that custom piece on it makes it more valuable, especially if you're like a fan of it. Obviously I can't sell it for copyright reasons, and I don't want to sell it. I'm a big fan of that band, and I want to learn how to play the electric guitar a little better. Well, a lot better actually. I'm not good at all, but I would love to keep learning on the electric guitar. But this is not about me learning electric guitar. It's about engraving, and the engraving came out really awesome on the xTool F2. Another engraving that I did on this video was with this iPad Pro case. I did a really cool astronaut on there, and it came out awesome. I used the IR laser for this. This is a plastic piece, and the cool thing about the xTool F2 software is that you can just pick a type of material that you're going to engrave on, and it changes the settings to best match that material. So this came out really good. I did an astronaut because Primestronaut. I use my iPad Pro a lot for my videos and things like that are related to the channel. So I thought it'd be a cool engraving to do on this, and it came out great. The software is great. As you can see, it's very precise of where you engrave. You can tell that I kind of try to incorporate the Apple logo and the circle with the engraving, and it came out really well. So I'm very impressed with that. Both of these machines do have attachments, and if this video does 10 likes, I'll definitely do some engravings with those attachments for the xTool F2. They're a little pricey, but they're worth it if you want to expand what you can do with it. You can do the cylindrical objects, and you can do a slide where you can engrave a bigger surface area, which is great for this one, especially because it does not have a huge spot that you can engrave on, but I mean, you can do very detailed stuff on it. So it's very cool still, and still my favorite machine to this day, even though I know it's the upgrade. But yeah, it's a very cool upgrade with that camera and how precise it is. And then the LP4 has been an amazing machine as well. And I might get another LaserPecker LP4, depending. I mean, not LP4, but a LaserPecker if I see a good upgrade, or if I really want to do that. I don't know. The xTool kind of brand is really cool, and I see a lot of really cool machines with the xTool. So I might stick with xTool. We'll see. But these are both great machines. Very impressed with the xTool F2. And thanks for watching, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like. 10 likes and I'll do a video with some of the attachments like I said. And follow the channel for more cool tech products, and also Tesla products as well. And if you guys want some free engravings, I will put every engraving that I make. It will be on primestronaut.com, so you guys can just go on my website and you can download it on there, any engraving that I make. So you guys can do the same. And if you guys have any questions about laser engraving, comment down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.